Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I am Cherry, 32 years old, single. 2 years graduate of college. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Did you marry?
No, sir.
So, where did you work before?
Lebanon, sir.
How long did you work here?
2 years and 9 months.
When did you go to Lebanon? When did you come back to the Philippines?
Starting September 6, 2009 and June 11, 2012.
How many people did you take care?
6 people, sir.
Who are they?
1 madam and 1 mister and 4 children.
How old were the children when you started working here?
The first baby is 9 years old, second 8 years old, and 7 years old, and the last baby is 3 years old, sir.
How did you take care of them?
I take in the house for playing, and I take in the school, and I prepare the foods, and I take the pot for wash.
What did you talk to them in English or Arabic?
I take the later Spanish and later Arabic and English, sir.
So what do you mean Spanish?
Spanish.
No. What did you say? So you talk to them in
English.
In English.
Later English because the English is not too much understand.
Okay. In the beginning, the English is no good.
Yes, sir.
But after 2 years, did they speak English?
Later on, sir. Not
Still,
too much.
not too much.
Same Madam and sir, she don't speak English. Later only.
All right. So it's difficult for you to work there. You have to speak Arabic then.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Who cooked at home?
Yes, sir. I prepare the cook.
You prepare the food.
Yes, sir. All 3 times a day, I prepare the cook, the baby. Same of Madam and Mister.
Okay. What time do you get up?
I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What time you sleep?
Sleep is 10 o'clock.
Wow. So every day 6 hours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I understand.
Everything is working because of our baby.
Are you afraid of dogs?
Yes, sir.
You're afraid of dogs?
Right?
No, are you afraid of dogs?
No, sir. Not
So
afraid.
if I ask you to take care of big dogs in Hong Kong,
Yes.
can you?
Yes, sir.
Can you swim?
Yes, sir.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes.
Good. Do you have anything to tell your future employer here? Talk to her. She's watching you now.
Okay.
Now, please go ahead.
Please, sir, hire me and Mr. Hire me and I will do my best of my work and perform and the duties and responsibilities, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. I hope to see you in Hong Kong soon. Bye-bye.